Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about dark armpits. What are the causes of dark armpits, and if there are any home remedies that you can employ at home for dark armpits in order to control them from reoccurring or from progressing. According to Dr. Sheil Desai Solomon, she says that most people develop dark armpits or darkening of the armpits just like they develop darkening of other parts of their bodies like their elbows, knees, shoulders and groin area. And just like many other skin changes, darkening of the underarms can be genetic, and it's more common with people of color because they are more prone to hyperpigmentation. There are also some health conditions that can also lead to the darkening of the underarms like diabetes, obesity, taking of certain medications, and some hormonal changes. If you are suffering from darkening of the underarms, I'm going to touch on some remedies that you can employ at home in order to control it from reoccurring or from progressing. What are some home remedies that you can employ if you are suffering from darkening of the underarms? The first tip I'm going to show you is chemical exfoliation and not physical exfoliation. So now what is the difference? Physical exfoliation, you're going to be using physical exfoliants like sugar or salt to scrub that area. But mind you, darkening of the underarms, one reason for darkening of the underarms could be irritation. So when you use physical exfoliants or physical exfoliation like salt or sugar, you're going to further irritate the skin, which is also going to lead to further darkening. So the best way to exfoliate the skin is by using chemical exfoliation. With chemical exfoliation, one method you can try is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And now the aloe vera gel is going to serve as a buffer in order to reduce the intensity or irritability of the lemon juice on your skin. So 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and aloe vera gel, you apply on your underarms, leave for about 10 minutes and then you wash it off. You repeat this about 3 times in a week, and this can lead to significant reduction of the darkening of your underarms. Another method for chemical exfoliation is baking soda and water. So you get a proportionate amount of baking soda and water into a thick paste, and just like the lemon juice and aloe vera gel, you apply on your underarms area, leave for about 10 minutes, wash it off about 3 times in a week, and this can lead to a significant reduction of the darkening of your underarms. Another tip is to wear loose clothes. Now when you wear tight clothes, it tends to irritate your underarm area. So you have to wear loose clothes in order to reduce friction or irritation in your underarms area, and then reducing the occurrence of darkening of your underarms. Avoid using deodorants with fragrance and antiperspirants. These ones can irritate the skin. Fragrances can irritate the skin, and antiperspirants also closes your pores, and so it doesn't allow dirt or bacteria to escape from your pores as it's supposed to, and then it also leads to what? Darkening of your underarms. If you want your underarms to be free from hair, avoid using razor blades from shaving that area. Instead, you can use hair removal creams like Nair. I don't know if I pronounce it well, Nair or Nair. So use hair removal creams and apply on the area to take off the hair so that there will be no irritation on the skin, and then there will be no darkening of your underarm. After shaving, you can use an unscented moisturizer in your underarms in order to soften the skin and release it from the stress of shaving. And this one would also help to reduce or stop darkening of your underarms from occurring. If you are experiencing darkening of your underarms, it is not any cause for concern unless it is persistent. So if you're experiencing persistent darkening of your underarms, you should seek medical advice. Probably there might be an underlying health condition, but overall darkening of your underarms is not a health concern. So you can just employ some of these steps that I have mentioned in order to reduce the intensity of the darkening and also prevent it from happening. Do check out my other video I made on the causes of darkening of the lips and ways in which you can prevent it and then treat it as well. I'm going to leave the link somewhere here. I'm also going to leave it in my end screen. And if you're also interested in home improvement and recipe, do check out my home improvement channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Do definitely check it out. I have some amazing tips that you can employ in your home to improve the quality of life of your home. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.